Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. The headlines for today. Home Minister urges to find an amicable way with regard to MRSSA. Jantia Students' Union support indefinite strike called by GAC MCV. On the spot e-challan to penalize traffic violators. And now the news in detail. Today, the Chief Minister along with the Deputy Chief Minister met the Honourable Home Minister of the country to discuss different issues relating to the state. Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sangma informed that the Home Minister patiently gave a hearing to the issues put forward by the state regarding the MRSSA. The Home Minister suggests that concerned officials and ministers should try to find an amicable way to implement and enforce the MRSSA in the state.
The Honourable Home Minister of India gave a very patient hearing to the different concerns and the issues that we had to mention to him and bring to him. Apart from many issues that were discussed, we discussed the MRSSA, and in the issue concerning the MRSSA, the Honourable Home Minister has suggested that the state government and the officials from the MHA must sit down and discuss in threadbare all the issues that are there relating to the MRSSA, and he urged us to find an amicable way forward in regards to the MRSSA.
Remarking on his alleged indifferent attitude shown by the Home Minister on his visit to the state recently, the Chief Minister said that because of time constraint, the Home Minister was unable to meet any of the organizations in the state. Further, he said that the Home Minister has planned for a 2-day visit to the state in March, and this time he has agreed to meet all the organizations.
To the Parliament during this period. So in the meantime, during this particular phase, the Honourable Home Minister has made a plan to make a 2 full-day visit to Shillong to discuss on the revamping of the NEC. So the Honourable Home Minister will spend 2 days in Shillong, and he has urged that instead of all the organizations having to spend and all the inconvenience being caused that they have to come here, he has suggested that he will give enough time to all the organizations that want to meet him in Shillong during his 2-day visit, which will happen in the month of March, which is next month itself.
Today, the 10th February 2021, a vaccination drive of health workers was conducted in the city. Speaking to the media, Dr. A. Lingdo, the additional DMHO East Khasi Hills, informed the media that the first phase of vaccination was rolled out on 16th January with an initial target of 8,000 health workers. But with the increase in numbers of health workers coming from different private sectors, the target number has increased to 12,604, out of which only 2,023 have been vaccinated recently.
Because we have been living in fear for the last 1 year, whereby, the moment a person has been detected to be COVID positive, even among the healthcare workers, there is a lot of fear, panic, even sometimes hysteria, because this disease is something that, we are not that clear about. There are so many new things that we are learning about it. So now that we have the vaccination in place, and we have seen also from the launching day on the 16th that there are very less adverse effects and adverse events that have been reported so far in the state. Only mild cases. We have not had a single case of severe or serious AEFI. So I would appeal to the healthcare workers, especially because we belong to a profession where we are very vulnerable to contracting the infection, and then that makes us that we go to work with fear. We live in an environment where we always worried and scared that we may get infected or we may become the next victim. So I would appeal to them that this vaccination is one way of removing or dispelling away that fear that we have to live with every day in our profession.
The JSU today extended support to the indefinite strike by Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles due to sudden hike of prices of petrol and diesel. Member of the Jantia Student Union also justified the action of the Joint Action Committee as everyone is being affected due to the price hike of fuel. As a sign of extended support to the Joint Action Committee, the JSU observed Black Flag Day to protest against the apathetic attitude of the state government to solve the issue of prices of fuel.
JSU Central Body ngi penpau ya ka jing skongsi apa ya dai bat ka jingkiu palat pot jong ka petrol bat diesel te naklian jong ni ai ka jing kersian ka rat ba ya ki association baper jong ka jilla Meghalaya ki badang yai petang ya ka ne jing ki naduk ka atrik bat haduk ka ni klimat ka bamata bat ni dawa da ka sorka ya jing bagane tan penyer ya ka ka khajna ka ba ka kabalabu na dok po jang COVID-19 santangka dekane kadai ka jingkerpat jong ka JSU Central Body ya Government of Meghalaya kadai ban burom yu paj ba jongi lada yu government la form da ki paj ba ti ka government ru kadai ban sngap yu ya ka su ka ti tangkata hi ka jing kerpat janga bat ni snap tilang barok bedon talang kadai ka jingi.
Today, the representatives of the Shillong Traffic Police and the State Bank of India signed a memorandum of understanding to jointly implement the issue of e-challans to traffic violators using a digital platform that has been integrated with Vahan and Sarathi. The e-challan system will be launched in the next few days and will enable the traffic police to obtain details of errant vehicles promptly using the digital platform and issue e-challans to them immediately on the spot. This is going to make the matter of collecting fines from people very efficient and easy. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.